Hello guys, I'm Crafty. We met again in one more video. So today we are going to make gun. You can guess it, but I think so you can't because my painting is a little bit different, not understandable. Today we are going to make Scarl. It will be very simple to make. I have drawn the tiger, but I won't use it, so I'm going to remove it. We need scissor, tape, marker for detailing, and a paper. Not just a paper, many paper. Glue, you can use Fevicol on anything you have, even bond glue. So here we have a cardboard piece, or we can say a cardboard sheet. You can use a cereal box too. So now I'm going to cut a piece of the Scarl gun. So here it looks. In the picture it wasn't look nice, but here it is looking nice. How? Because I referred to one of the Google images. The link is in the description for the gun which I referred to make. There is no template for this. I have just made with my own imagination. So like this, we are going to place ice cream stick and over that the cardboard to make it more trendy. So here we have pasted them also, and it's looking very strong. So now behind I have done nothing, but ahead I will stick a paper or white color cardboard, and over that I will paint with acrylic color. You can use even poster color, but what you have to do, that take a jar in which you have to put water and glue, and over the poster color you have to apply that. So here I have a straw, and one area or one side I'm going to bang it with the help of scissor. Like, I have to press it very hard, and then it will be looking like this, and from one side it will be looking like a cylindrical. So like it should be very flat, because I'm going to put that in my gun as a straw something. I don't know what's the name, but you can comment me down what's the name. I'm very interested in guns and ammunitions. So here we have done with our scarlet thing. Here I have applied some places white cardboard for painting. Now I'm going to show you direct the presentation by painting it black and applying paper on it. So see how awesome does it looks. I have applied a scope also. It is very simple. Just you need to make a straw and attach the straw to the gun, and then just what you have to do, make a ring like thing and attach to the straw. You can use a bond glue also, and you can see how I have done it. So it is very easy to do. You can see I'm showing you through my scope. So now see guys, I hope that you will like my video. So see, it is very easy to make guys. This is one of the best project and the easiest project I have ever done. So here you can see I'm going to show you with a flashlight because you can see properly. So here you can see I have made some grip points also by tearing the cardboard's first layer, so it will look like this thing. And then here I have applied proper acrylic paint, and I have told you that I'm going to remove the trigger, and I have. So isn't it awesome? Just have a look and enjoy. We are done with our presentation. So I hope you will like this video. share it to many people as you can, and help me to finish my goal of 1000 subscribers. Bye and enjoy. Love you all.